Tie wrap, high-performance cable ties. Trust tie wrap, the cable tie engineered to last. Over 5 decades ago, Thomas & Betts engineers invented the tie wrap high-performance cable tie. Today, these specially designed, made in the USA cable ties are still the market leader for performance and versatility. When you choose tie wrap, you choose a brand you can trust. Tie wrap has been the brand of choice for professional electricians for over 50 years. Tie wrap high-performance cable ties have specially engineered features that provide longer life and less stress on your system. Tie wrap has the grip of steel. Each tie wrap high-performance cable tie is manufactured with a 3/16 stainless steel locking device. The locking device is deeply embedded into the head of the cable tie. This is a differentiating feature, as other cable ties have an all-plastic construction with a small plastic locking device designed with a living plastic hinge. The plastic will stretch, weaken, and deteriorate with weather and other environmental changes. The tie wrap grip of steel holds firmly and consistently in all environmental conditions. The no-stress solid body. Each tie wrap high-performance cable tie has a specially engineered body. Ordinary cable ties are made up of a series of notches in order to work with the plastic locking mechanism. As a result of constant changes in the environment, stress concentration points will grow and cause the cable tie to break. Tie wrap offers an infinitely adjustable solid body design, eliminating the stress concentration points, resulting in longer life. Tie wrap has a very unique system of small ribs and stipples. The ribs and stipples provide a positive grip to gently hold your cables in place. Holding your cables in place without over-tensioning not only helps extend the life of the cable tie, it helps extend the life and efficiency of your system by eliminating any potential damage that would cause increased electrical resistance or data speed loss through your cables. Thomas & Betts engineers continue to strive to exceed the needs of the professional electrician. Tie wrap high-performance cable ties do not only have engineered features to extend the life of your system, they are continuously tested and certified to meet safety and governmental requirements of your application. Tie wrap high-performance cable ties also supports electrical work in the construction industry. Thomas & Betts has worked with the Underwriters Laboratories to ensure tie wrap meets the requirements of the National Electric Code. Tie wrap high-performance cable ties outperform the competition in costly and difficult construction applications when wiring in other spaces used for environmental air, also known as plenums, according to the National Electric Code. To meet the code requirements for these spaces, Thomas & Betts again put tie wrap to the test. Select tie wrap high-performance cable ties are UL tested and UL listed to be suitable for use in wiring in other spaces used for environmental air in accordance with Section 300.22 C and D of the National Electric Code. In 2008, cable ties were added to the National Electric Code as an improved method to install flexible conduit and cable. Using cable ties as a flexible conduit and cable support can make installation faster and easier, in order to give you and your inspector rest assurance that your job is done right. In addition to being suitable to plenum environments, select colored tie wraps are resistant to ultraviolet light for long life and outdoor applications. Use tie wrap high-performance cable ties when meeting the code and code inspection is critical. When you need the job done right, choose tie wrap high-performance cable ties, the trusted brand for over 50 years. Trust tie wrap, the cable tie engineered to last.